اللهم صل وسلم وبارك عليه. نرجع لموضوعنا الثاني. كيف للأحباش، كيف لهم أن يدخلوا أو دخلوا، كيف دخلوا اليمن؟ اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. كان من حوالي maybe in 2 or 3 weeks we was talking about أصحاب الأخدود. كنا بنتكلم عن أصحاب الأخدود وقلنا إن قتلوا هذا الرجل الظالم، قتل كثير من النصارى. And this person, he was very unjust and he is the king at this time. He killed a lot of Christian people. لما ألقاهم في الأخدود واحد منهم نجا، نجاه الله ففر إلى قيصر الروم يستعين به لأنه Christian زيه. So one of those, he ran away to the Romanian king because he's Christian like him, and he complained to him what happened. And this king Zuyazel, he killed a lot of people, Christian, threw him in the hellfire. But he said, I cannot help you. We are far away. Yemen is all the way down in the south, and we are far away. يعني هيبعت جنود هناك لغاية. But I advise you, I will send you a messenger, like reference, to the Habasha. Habasha people, you believe at this time in the Christian. Approximately, you help each other. قال له أنا هنصحك عشان ما ردكش يعني وإحنا من دين واحد، لأن الرؤساء والملوك في الوقت ده أو السلاطين قياصرة والكسرى لا يتحركون إلا كان هناك منفعة. The king, he cannot send an army if you have no benefit behind that, no money. Like before, the man of the Yemen people, he gave him يعني أغراء. قال له عندنا في اليمن جبال ذهب، خلاه يتحرك. إنما الوضع هنا مختلف وبيحاول يحركوا من الناحية الدينية. This time he tried to talk to him about we are Christian like each other, you have to protect me. So he sent him to the أحباش حبشة. قال له اذهب مع الريفرنس with the reference إلى الأحباش وهم هيساعدوك. فلما ذهب he went to the حبشة with the reference. The king of the Habasha at this time, you remember the name of the king, brother? The position of the king. يعني في مصر يقول عليهم فراعنة. ها؟ الحبشة يقول عليهم إيه؟ نجاشي. Anyone be there like king يكون نجاشي. In Egypt يكون فرعون، Pharaoh. In Romanian يكون قسرة أو هرقل. In Kisra in Persian الفرس. So each one of those positions, anyone you sit down in the chair, you take the same. Huh? In Habasha, anyone you be in the chair as a king, يكون نجاشي. إلا نجاشي قد أسلم على يد الرسول عليه الصلاة والسلام سيدنا جعفر بن أبي طالب. أسلم وصلى النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام صلى عليه الصلاة والسلام. What happened? He prepared army from 70,000 soldiers. He sent them to the Yemen to protect the Christian people there. يقولون أعد جيشا يعني كبير ضخم عظيم عرمرم زي ما بيقولوا جيش عرمرم 70,000 وأرسلهم تحت قائد اسمه أرياط. The leader of this army, his name is Aryat. And one of the leader in this army also, his name Abraha. So these people went to the Yemen, and absolutely he killed this king, the one he killed the Christian, and controlled, ruler all them. يعني دخلوا قتلوا هذا الرجل وتحكموا في اليمن كلها. ولكن أرياض كان ظالم، كان قائد عسكري ناجح ولكنه كان ظالم. The ruler or the leader, his name Aryad, in the Habasha people, he was very successful leader, but he is injustice. يعني يعامل الجنود والأهل اليمن بقسوة. حتى جنوده الحبشيين كان شديد عليهم. He was very tough with the people, even Yemen people or even his people, the Somalian people, I mean the Habashi people. He was very tough with them. فلما ازداد الظلم اجتمع الجيش بقيادة أبرهة وكان قائد أيضا. Abraha, the other guy, he was leader also. He collected all the army and he tried to make a situation with this king. So you have no matching together, so we have to fight. So Abraha bring his army, and the other ruler Aryad, he bring his army. الجيشين بدأوا يلتقوا مع بعض، جيش أبرهة وجيش أرياد، both حبشي. فتفكر أبرهة وأرسل إلى أرياد وقال يعني إحنا لو تقاتلنا مع بعض وإحنا حبشي وحبشي هنهلك، وهيرجعوا اليمنيين يسيطروا على البلد وإحنا خسرانين. If you fight together حبشي against حبشي, we will be losers, and the Yemeni people you control again. So what do we do? What do you think? قال له اخلع كل المراتب اللي عندك يعني كقائد وأنا كذلك، وننزل رجل لرجل، اللي ينتصر فينا هو اللي يكون قائد، ونحمي الجيش بتاعنا والحبشيين. So leave the army and take your position and come fight man to man. The one you winner, he the one you be ruler or he the leader and the Habashi people. And we still control the Yemen. It's a good idea. So he agreed with him. قال له ما فيش مانع، ننزل نتخانق مع بعض يعني نصارع بعض ونشوف. وقامت بينهم مصرعة أو مذبحة قوية جدا بين هذا أرياض وكان قويا وبين أبرهة. تصارعوا. You start to play like wrestling together. See who's gonna be the winner. The one you winner is you're gonna be the leader for the أحباش. ظلت المعركة fighting, wrestling, you kill each other, you try to kill each other until Aryad, he hate Abraha, the soul came in his face. So قطع مناخيره بجزء من وجهه. يقول شرمه. لما يقطع المناخير مع جزء يقول شرمه. لذلك يقول له أبرهة الأشرم. His name Abraha al-Ashram, because the Aryad, when he fight with him, his soul came in his face. He cut his nose. In Arabic يقول شرمة. أشرم يعني cut the nose and this and that. ولكن أبرهة انقض عليه فقتله. Abraha, he back up and he defends and he killed the other lord. And he the one right now, the new leader as the Habashi people in Yemen. But Najashi al-Habasha, the king of the Habasha, he sent Aryad. He do not send Abraha. He sent the Aryad as a big leader, the first one, number one leader. When the Najashi, we call Najashi the king of the Habasha, the name of Najashi. When he hears that, طبعا he upset. Absolutely. How come I send the ruler or king and leader and someone he kill him? ازاي ابعثه هناك ويقتلوا أبرهة؟ وازداد غضبه على أبرهة. فلما علم أبرهة بذلك وعلم بقسم الملك، نجاشي أقسم أن يطأ بقدميه تراب اليمن وأن يجز شعر أبرهة، يحلق له يعني عقابا له وإذلالا له. The king of the Habasha, Abraha, when he hears that, he says, I swear I will go put my feet in the dirt of the Yemen and I will shave the hair of the Abraha. He kill his dignity, a punishment for him. فلما علم أبرهة بذلك وكان ذكيا حلق شعره ووضعه في كيس وأتى بتراب اليمن في كيس آخر وأرسل رسولا إلى النجاشي وقال لقد بررت قسمك، هذا تراب اليمن طأه وهذا شعري قد حلقته وأنا أنت الزعيم وإحنا يعني بدأ يتملق له وإحنا والقائد عايز إيه واحد يطيعه، فسامحه ومضى الأمر هكذا. So what happened? Abraha, when he hears that, is very smart. He took the dirt of the Yemen, some dirt, and he put it in a plastic bag, and he shaved his hair, and he put another plastic bag, and he sent it to the king with a messenger from his side. And tell him, now you swear, and I give you the dirt here, put your feet in it, you don't have to go, and this is my hair, and I am your man, I am your leader, I obeyed you, and he started doing something, kiss hand. So the king, what do you need? He needs someone, he listened to him. I am your man, that's it. He forgave him. And إمعانا في إرضاء النجاشي وعده بأنه يبني أكبر كنيسة في العالم آنذاك يعني.